Imagine a field bustling with the latest agricultural machinery, each piece working in harmony to transform the landscape of farming. In today's video, we dive into the cutting-edge world of modern agriculture, focusing on how the newest machines are revolutionizing the way we harvest watermelons. Gone are the days of laborious hand-picking and inefficiencies. These state-of-the-art machines are designed to streamline the entire harvesting process, enhancing productivity and sustainability. We'll explore why adopting such advanced technology is crucial for today's farmers, improving efficiency, boosting yields, and ensuring a more sustainable approach to agriculture. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. The challenges of watermelon harvesting. Manual labor. Harvesting watermelons has traditionally been a physically demanding and labor-intensive process. Imagine workers bent over in the scorching sun, manually cutting each watermelon from its vine, carefully lifting the heavy fruit, and then placing it into crates for transportation. This method, while effective, is incredibly time-consuming and requires a significant amount of manpower. The average watermelon can weigh anywhere from 15 to 45 pounds, making it a strenuous task to harvest large quantities by hand. Moreover, the repetitive nature of the work can lead to fatigue, increasing the risk of accidents or injuries among workers. Additionally, despite their best efforts, human hands aren't always gentle, and there's a real risk of damaging the delicate skin of the watermelons during the harvesting process. Bruises or cuts on the fruit can reduce their market value and lead to unnecessary waste. Need for innovation. Given these challenges, the need for innovation in watermelon harvesting becomes clear. As demand for watermelons grows and the pressures on farmers increase, relying solely on manual labor is no longer sustainable. This is where modern agricultural machines step in. These machines are specifically designed to address the inefficiencies and challenges of traditional harvesting methods. By automating the process, they not only speed up harvesting, but also significantly reduce the physical strain on workers. The precision of these machines ensures that watermelons are handled with care, minimizing damage and preserving the quality of the fruit. Moreover, these machines can operate consistently and efficiently over large areas, allowing farmers to harvest more watermelons in less time and with fewer resources. The shift from manual labor to mechanized harvesting is not just about increasing productivity. It's about creating a more sustainable and humane approach to farming, where the well-being of workers and the quality of the produce are both prioritized. In the next section, we'll delve into the specifics of these groundbreaking machines and how they are transforming the way watermelons are harvested on farms around the world. Introduction to modern agriculture machines. Modern agriculture has seen a remarkable transformation, driven by the integration of advanced technology into farming practices. These innovations have led to the development of specialized machines that are not only changing the way we farm, but also redefining the limits of what's possible in agriculture. When it comes to watermelon harvesting, several types of machines have emerged, each designed to optimize different aspects of the process. At the forefront are automated harvesting machines, which are engineered to perform the entire harvesting process from start to finish. These machines are equipped with advanced sensors and cutting mechanisms that precisely identify ripe watermelons, cut them from the vine, and transport them to storage bins, all in one seamless operation. Some of these machines use GPS technology to navigate large fields autonomously, ensuring that no fruit is missed during the harvest. Others are integrated with LiDAR, light detection and ranging systems, and machine learning algorithms that allow them to adapt to different field conditions and handle watermelons with the utmost care. In addition to the core harvesting machines, there are automated sorting and grading systems that work in tandem with harvesters. These systems use computer vision technology to sort watermelons based on size, shape, and ripeness, ensuring that only the best quality fruit makes it to market. There are also conveyor belt systems that are designed to transport the harvested watermelons from the field to packaging areas, reducing the need for manual handling and further minimizing the risk of damage. Benefits: the introduction of these advanced machines into watermelon farming offers a multitude of benefits that go beyond just speeding up the harvesting process. One of the most significant advantages is increased efficiency. Automated machines can work tirelessly and consistently, covering large fields in a fraction of the time it would take a manual workforce. This not only accelerates the harvesting process, but also allows farmers to manage larger operations with fewer resources. Reduced labor costs are another major benefit. By automating the labor-intensive aspects of harvesting, farmers can cut down on the number of workers needed in the fields. This is particularly important in regions where labor shortages are a growing concern. Additionally, the reduction in manual labor helps to alleviate the physical strain on workers, improving their overall well-being and allowing them to focus on less strenuous tasks. Perhaps most importantly, these machines contribute to the improved quality of the harvested fruit. The precision with which modern harvesters operate ensures that watermelons are cut and handled with care, reducing the likelihood of bruising or other forms of damage. This attention to quality is critical for maintaining the market value of the produce and reducing waste. By sorting and grading watermelons during the harvesting process, these machines also help ensure that only the best fruit reaches consumers, further enhancing the reputation and profitability of the farm. The watermelon harvester, a game changer. At the core of the watermelon harvester's operation is a sophisticated system that starts with identification. The machine is equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors that scan the field as it moves along. These sensors are designed to detect the ripeness of each watermelon by analyzing factors like color, size, and even subtle differences in surface texture. Once a ripe watermelon is identified, the machine moves into action with its automated cutting mechanism. This mechanism, typically a set of precision-controlled blades, cleanly slices through the stem of the watermelon, detaching it from the vine without causing any damage to the fruit. After the watermelon is cut, it is gently lifted by a mechanized arm or conveyor system. This system is designed to carefully cradle the watermelon, minimizing any jostling or rough handling that could lead to bruising. The watermelons are then transported along the conveyor to collection bins or directly into field trailers that follow alongside the harvester. Some advanced models even feature automatic sorting systems, which categorize the watermelons based on size and quality as they are being harvested, ensuring that only the best produce is selected for market. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Precision and care. One of the most impressive aspects of the watermelon harvester is its ability to handle the fruit with incredible precision and care. Watermelons are delicate, and even minor bruises can affect their market value. This machine is designed with that in mind, using soft, rubber-coated grips and cushioned conveyors that gently move the watermelons from one stage to the next. The sensors and cameras ensure that each watermelon is harvested at just the right moment, maximizing freshness and quality. Moreover, the harvester's intelligent navigation system, often powered by GPS technology, allows it to move through the fields with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring that every watermelon is harvested efficiently without missing any fruit or damaging the plants. This level of precision is not only crucial for maintaining the integrity of the watermelons, but also for optimizing the overall yield of the crop. By reducing the potential for damage and ensuring that each watermelon is handled with the utmost care, the machine helps farmers deliver top-quality produce to the market. enhancing both profitability and customer satisfaction. In essence, the watermelon harvester represents the pinnacle of modern agricultural engineering. It takes a task that once required significant time, effort, and labor, and turns it into a streamlined, efficient process that not only saves time and money, but also preserves the quality of the fruit. As we continue to explore the capabilities of this incredible machine, it becomes clear that the future of watermelon harvesting, and indeed all of agriculture, lies in the hands of such innovative technologies. The harvesting process in action. Picture a sprawling watermelon field bathed in sunlight, with rows of vibrant green plants stretching as far as the eye can see. Now, imagine the watermelon harvester in action, moving methodically down these rows, its advanced sensors scanning each plant for the perfect moment to harvest. As the machine progresses, it identifies ripe watermelons with pinpoint accuracy, activating its cutting mechanism to swiftly and cleanly detach each fruit from the vine. The precision of this process is mesmerizing. The blades slice through the stems effortlessly, ensuring that the watermelons remain intact and undamaged. Immediately after being cut, the watermelons are gently lifted onto the harvester's conveyor belt, where they are securely cradled as they make their way to the collection bins. This entire process happens seamlessly, with the machine maintaining a steady pace, covering vast areas of the field in a fraction of the time it would take a manual workforce. As the conveyor belts transport the watermelons to the collection bins, the machine's built-in sorting system springs into action. Using a combination of cameras and sensors, the harvester assesses each watermelon's size, shape, and overall quality, automatically categorizing them to ensure that only the best produce reaches the market. The watermelons are then gently deposited into large, cushioned bins, ready to be transported directly to packaging facilities or to market. This careful handling is crucial in preserving the fruit's appearance and quality, minimizing bruises or blemishes that could affect its market value. Throughout the process, the harvester operates with remarkable efficiency, moving smoothly through the fields and making precise adjustments to navigate any changes in terrain or plant density. Watching the machine in action, it's clear that this is more than just a tool. It's a revolution in agricultural technology, transforming what was once a labor-intensive and time-consuming task into a streamlined, highly productive operation. The impact on farming efficiency. His process was not only time-consuming, but also physically demanding, often leading to worker fatigue and inconsistent results. With the advent of these advanced machines, farmers can now harvest entire fields in a fraction of the time, reducing the need for manual labor and drastically lowering labor costs. The speed and precision of the harvesters mean that farmers can optimize their harvest schedules, ensuring that watermelons are picked at the peak of ripeness, which is crucial for both quality and marketability. This increased efficiency allows for more harvest cycles within a season, ultimately boosting overall yield and profitability. Beyond just saving time and labor, the impact on farming efficiency extends to the broader logistics and supply chain. The consistency and care with which these machines handle the watermelons reduce the incidence of damaged or spoiled fruit, meaning more of the harvest can be sold at premium prices. Furthermore, with the integrated sorting systems, farmers can immediately classify and grade their produce during the harvesting process, streamlining operations and reducing the time and cost associated with post-harvest sorting. This level of efficiency not only enhances the farm's productivity, but also its sustainability. By reducing waste and optimizing resource use, modern watermelon harvesters help farmers achieve more with less, paving the way for more sustainable farming practices that are essential in meeting the demands of a growing global population. In essence, these machines are not just enhancing efficiency, They are redefining what is possible in modern agriculture, allowing farmers to be more productive, profitable, and environmentally responsible. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and please hit the bell.